Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a quotation in Tally ERP 9. To begin, you will first need to enable optional vouchers within Tally ERP 9. This crucial step allows you to record quotations without impacting your inventory or financial books immediately. Once enabled, simply navigate to the Accounting Vouchers menu, and there you can select the sales order voucher type to start creating your new quotation. Now let's fill in the details. First, select the appropriate party's ledger account, which represents your customer. Then, meticulously enter each item you are quoting, specifying its quantity, the rate per unit, and the total amount. Remember to also include any applicable taxes, such as GST, or any discounts you wish to offer, ensuring all financial aspects are clearly presented. After entering all the details, it is time to save your quotation. Ensure you save it as an optional voucher. This prevents it from affecting your stock levels or accounting records prematurely. Always take a moment to preview the quotation before printing to verify its accuracy and professional appearance. Finally, you can print a physical copy for your customer or easily convert it into a sales order when confirmed. To maximize efficiency, always remember to utilize optional vouchers for all your quotations. This keeps your inventory and financial records clean. It is also vital to clearly state all terms and conditions directly on the quotation, leaving no room for ambiguity. Lastly, make it a practice to regularly review and update your quotation templates, ensuring they remain professional, accurate, and consistent across all your business dealings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.